Alright guys, so today's video is about Andy's Development Studio, and welcome back. I'm Andy. For those of you who don't know, I'm creating a website called Andy's Development Studio where I post my software and my physical products that I'm creating every day after work as quickly as I possibly can. So I wanted to show you around really quick and just kind of show you some of the updates that I've made, because there are actually quite a few. But this is still going to have to be kind of a quick video. I am just getting started and I'm about to go out on another shift, and as you guys know, that's usually when I record these. So the first thing I want to show you is check this out, guys. I've got a bellows button right down here in the lower left, and you can click that and it blows, and it even makes sound effects, which is kind of awesome. I love this feature. My Bluetooth isn't working, so let me turn that on real quick. So it connects to my speakers on my truck so you can hear things. Oh, okay, that was not intended. That is Scottish music that I like to listen to sometimes. So anyways, yeah, so you click the bellows button down here in the bottom left, and it does that. You can hear that. Okay, so I just thought that would be really fun for those of you out there who like to play with things. So the first thing we've got is a brand new introduction to Welcome to the Field Desk. Now I have quotes, and if you want to look into that, I have a little description here of what all that is. You can tear these away. Gives you more information, introductory information, what you can do here, that kind of thing. Studio protocol, the community, and going down to a final closure message. So then the books look pretty much the same. In this view on mobile, it looks like this, and when the screen gets a little bit bigger, it tends to choose desktop view, which is actually a lot better. So we also have the YouTube videos still there. We have the blueprints that we had before. Now I do have apparel, which now when you click on that, it leads to a project page, and this is where you can come and you can actually look at these shirts that I'm creating, and they're all going to be a little bit different, so that you have that. We can return to the cargo bay, and as you can see, we get back to all the good stuff in the cargo bay. So in mobile view, this is all in mobile view. I'm kind of stuck here. Okay, so what else do I got? Let's go back to the home page. And so on the home page, we have the cargo bay is still there. We have the catalog. Everything's still the same in there. These are still placeholder images. I'm working on that. And so then we come down to the forge. Let's see, any changes for the forge? Not really any changes for the forge, nothing new there. The menu system is brand new. Now you can click on these and go directly to the item that you're interested in. It takes you straight to the project page. So if you want to look at the general or any other application, you can do that now. That one doesn't have a project page, so it just takes you back to the home page. So be aware of that. There's a project page for Stride Hunter. Now we go back and see, this is just great. This was actually took a lot of work to get this to happen, but it did. So I'm happy with that. Chronicles, this is the details of my journey and how I'm building all of this and what worked and what didn't, putting it all in the Chronicles. This is the guild page. Some changes to this. Now you can type into the address bar. You see that pound, that hashtag at the very end of the web address, andysdevstudio.pages.dev. Now you can actually type in hashtag guild or hashtag chronicles, and it'll take you to that page. And also, if you're just trying to get to the return policy or something like that, you can type in hashtag return policies. That's kind of a neat little thing that I did there. Yeah, so the chronicles look a lot better, the video logs and all of that. Then we have the guild records. I already kind of showed you that a little bit. Just one change in here where I moved things around a little bit, and I put things in I put a new return policy on here. So if you guys want to look into that, you can actually look into that. Basically what it says is contact me and let me know if you want to return, and I'll look into it and probably work on that for you. So 30-day return policy, that kind of thing. Here's the guild hall. This is really important. This is our testing grounds. I've added a beacon active update. This is where I update you guys on what I'm doing and where I'm at in all of this. I have some instructions now. The testing directives now direct you to go to our Discord page, So and click on Enter the Guildhall, take you straight to Discord, and there's some instructions in there about joining a group and that kind of thing. I have to be careful of bots. It's really important that I watch out for that kind of stuff. So I had to pull my email and my phone off of the main page, and now I just have a message there that says use the contact form if you want to contact me directly, but it goes straight to my email, so don't even worry about it. If you want to join in testing, or if you just want to join the website and laugh with everybody else who joins, just click on Enter the Guildhall, and that'll take you straight there. We have the bounty board. Yeah, that's really cool. I'm working on adding in some sort of like reward of like titles and that kind of thing for people in the guild who are testing. So when we get enough testers, we'll definitely have like titles and other rewards and little Easter eggs, so to speak, for you guys to play with and check out. We have the daily composite. That's always there to play with when you go to Factor Hunter. That's in the Forge. Go check it out. Type that number in, or just copy and paste it from here. You can just click on that number and copy it, and then you can just paste it right into the Forge. We have active alloys. That is the programs that we're testing. You can test it. Factor Hunter, you can test that on the web or the Android. The web version is the same one in the Forge. The Android version is the one that I actually compiled for Android, and it's actually available in the Play Store. You have the 14-day watch to keep track of testing, that kind of thing, the watch board. So most of this is still pretty much the same. I think I showed off a lot of that in the last videos. But anyways, so that's some of the updates. I just wanted to brush that by real quick before I got to starting work today. And I'm really, really happy about them. So, and I hope you guys are as well. So leave a comment if you want to see more content, and let me know what you guys want to see more of. And thanks for joining me on this journey. So yeah, go visit andysdevstudio.pages.dev and just kind of browse around in there and have a glance. And be sure to like and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more really cool content coming. And yeah, and I think that's it for today. So thanks a lot, you guys. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, bye.